Welcome back, guys, to the real interview. So today I will try to make a collab with other YouTubers if I could, please. And I'll try to get a lot of views and subscribers. So stay tuned to my videos. By the way, this is the real interview, not the real news. The real interview number 2. The subject is our Facebook page. Our Facebook page is named The Real Tube, where we will post uh, predictions for the videos that I will make. And yeah, I hope you would visit the Facebook page, and I will link the description. I will put the link in the description below. So yeah, see you guys later.